This is my 1981 Casablanca Victorian. I have a spiral downrod from Josh's 1983 Panama 5 on it. And cane blades from my aunt's 87 Delta 2. Pull chain fob from my Panama 2. You'll notice it's on a tank screw. It's because I managed to get it to work with my test mount. However, there's a slight difference. Regular test mount, hang screw mount. Yeah. Oh well, whatever. Yeah, it's on. Ow! That hurt. Swear to God, my sneezes always hurt. I don't know why, they just do. This lighting is awesome. When I was at Plano Habitat, this was actually the very first fan we tested and on our current testing mount. Before, we only had a mount that would work with 36-inch or smaller fans, like the Lady Seasons, when it was still for sale. Kind of a functional, classy low. Somewhere just before the high position is a medium-ish setting, and that's what I'm trying to find right now. There it is. And what the hell? No. The slumber quiet on this fan is semi-functional. I have variations of low, variations of high, and one random medium spot. I'll crank it all the way up. God damn, this thing moves a ton of air. And that's all. Thanks for watching.